आपके जुल्फों में हवा आ रही है. वाओ.
Windy house I got here.
Very, very nice.
How are you?
Very good. It's amazing. We have otherwise not had the opportunity to speak aram se, but this is going to be good for me and for you.
But can I tell you a very interesting trivia? So the last we met was at Zee Cine.
Yeah.
Right? And that was my last social outing.
Same here. Huh.
Anna? Huh. So you're one of the last people I met before lockdown. And here we are again. Hi.
So the thing is कि सोनाली का ना पहले तो it's so funny when you look at her, you will not think this, but इसका खाने के साथ बहुत interesting connection है. इसका सिंधी, क्योंकि I am Sindhi, so सिंधी के साथ बहुत interesting connect है और बहुत लंबी चौड़ी list है. So we'll start with that. But before anything else, darling, how is your fabulous health glowing so much in this lockdown? You are looking touchwood, so positive, so inspired by yourself. I saw your t-shirt challenge, really nice. You have to tell us this beautifully positive frame of mind, क्योंकि मुझे ना आज किसी फ्रेंड ने बोला कि तुम लोग मुंबई के छोटे माचिस के घरों में रह के कैसे खुश हो. I said बहुत खुश है. I don't know how to explain that to you. So I who asked Sonali.
You know, so I understand. मतलब you know, मैं तो खुद को बहुत ज़्यादा fortunate मानती हूँ that you know we are locked down in what, like in fabulous houses with our favorite food, favorite people, you know, favorite pets.
Doggy.
Oh! That's Majnu, by the way. He's my friend's dog.
Majnu.
Hi. ये लड़का है, मैंने उसको लड़की बना दी है. ये सब लगा. It's an all-girls house now. So, but yeah, I mean, for me, it's a silver lining because you know whatever's happening around, uske muqable, we are very, very fortunate. Yeah, and I am the kind. Yeah, and I am the kind of person who has to see a silver lining in everything and make the most of it, you know, and not beat myself down. Yes, so there are moments.
All of us have gone through lows in our life. This happens to be probably a more like pandemic. It's like the world is going through the low, but it's such a beautiful way of looking at things, Sonali. Could you tell me one incident in your life? I'm getting a bit philosophical, but that's how I am. One incident in your life that taught you to be like this positive, because होता है ना, वो एक incident आता है, झटका देता है, फिर आपको सिखा देता है.
Actually, I would say life in general, but then again, that's again a very philosophical answer because, you know, my growing up days and all of that, I grew up very soon. I grew up very soon in the sense I became mature and I understood life very soon. But if I have to say, you know, my first dog passing away, which was almost 3 years ago, Candy. She's a beautiful Dalmatian and I love her, and she was the shelter puppy that my brother had saved. So when she went away, और वो एकदम अचानक से झटके से हुआ, I realized that life is so fragile. मतलब कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. And we don't, you know, फिर मुझे regrets आने लगे कि उसके एक रात, you know, why did I not hug her tighter? I mean, I did hug her, but वो हमेशा एक रहता है कि क्यों हम we're not in the moment 100%. So हमेशा जब मैं लो से जाती हूँ ना, मैं यही याद रखती हूँ कि life ना ऐसे change हो सकती है. You never know. So that whole philosophy of yoga की be in the moment. अभी just ये matter करता है. अर्चना और मैं बात कर रहे हैं. बस we have to learn to do that. And
Shayal is saying a big hi to us. We both know.
Hi, who's that?
Shayal, she's a yeah. There she is.
Hi Shayal.
I know. My screen is always dirty. One second. Now it's different. So I just want to tell you, tell all the viewers here, कि Sonali is probably one of the most relaxed celebrities you'll see. She'll just come, go like one breeze. ऐसे हवा के झोंके की तरह आके चली जाएगी, पता ही नहीं चलेगा. I know, like ऐसा style borrowing business. So tell us a bit about yourself. Like, what was it like before the movies? It's been what, 9 years since you've been in the industry?
Yes.
Yeah.
9 years.
What was life like before that? Because उसके बाद तो हमको पता ही है कैसे बदली है. पर उसके पहले कैसे?
हाँ, मुझे बस ये चीज हमेशा ये रहता है कि आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल बिकॉज फ्रॉम वेयर आई कम, मैं कैलकाटा से हूँ और मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था दैट यू नो आई वुड रियली, आई वांटेड टू बट आई रियली डिडंट थिंक दैट आई विल कम दिस फार. एंड that I will be happy, you know, that happiness quotient along with what I'm doing is very important to me. तो क्या होता है ना, जब आप माइलस्टोन्स अचीव करते हुए जाते हो आप रियलाइज नहीं करते हो, जब किसी दिन लॉकडाउन की सिचुएशन में आप बैठ के सोचते हो कि यार ये भी कर लिया, ये भी कर लिया, ये भी है, ये भी है, so you feel you've really come a long way, and of course you still have a very very long way to go, but आपको कहीं पे एक अंदर वाली खुशी मिलती है. But coming back to your thing,
Kolkata, because I personally love this city. What was it like growing up there? How was it growing up with your parents? What are they like? What is your family like?
It's a lovely city. I love Calcutta, but I love the food there and the people there more than anything else. Now I live here. Now this is home. My family's here. My mother's been living with me, and we live in the same house and everything. So yeah, Bombay is home, but I have a lot of fond memories with Calcutta. More food memories, you know. So let's not get into that, because you know me and food, and I'm just then this will become a food show. You know that.
You don't look like a foodie, dude. What is this? What is the meaning?
Archana, like, you know, if you ask any of our common Sindhi friends, or any friends, they will tell you I really eat a lot, and I am the classic example of live to eat. But yes, I am lucky. मेरा metabolism काफी अच्छा है. B, I've always been into workouts and yoga, और मैं correct खाती हूँ. मैं मतलब you'll never see me. अभी lockdown में भी I think mostly सब लोग हम बहुत खा रहे हैं. मैं भी कोई exception नहीं हूँ. सब खा रहे हैं. मतलब मैं तो ऐसे popcorn के पैकेट्स तो ऐसे खत्म कर रही हूँ. But मैं बैलेंस बना लेती हूँ कि पता है ये नहीं कि अब मैं 10 पैकेट्स ऑफ चिप्स खाती रहूंगी, you know. So I avoid the preservatives वाले junk and all of that.
Do you do your 16 hours of intermittent?
You know, that is very helpful. I feel everyone should do it because वो Ayurveda से भी आता है, and I'm a big follower of Ayurveda. But personally, it doesn't suit me always because I have an issue of migraine और मैं भूखी नहीं रह सकती. So I so if I go hungry too much, I get a headache. So I don't do it always, but maybe sometimes before a shoot, like if I have a morning close-up scene, you know, and in close-up scenes, what happens is your face looks like really bloated, especially subah. Like most actors, female actors especially have this issue. You know what I mean? So then I do this.
Especially if I have water retention. Yeah.
Water retention around this area. You know how like cheeks and all become. So the same issue. That time I do it. जब मुझे पता है कि सुबह मेरा close लगना है कुछ, तब मैं कर लेती हूँ. But otherwise, no, I just eat.
You try to eat. Shrishti Miglani wants to ask you. She's from Singapore, and she says, I'm modeling, yes, but I also wonder if the film industry is a place where I'll have to struggle to showcase my talent. You want to guide her a bit?
Yeah, in fact, that is something I always, you know, think about, because one of my niece, she also wants to be an actor, and I always think कि मेरी suggestion उन्हें क्या होगी. Yes, see, modeling is something that used to help. I don't know how much true it is now as a stepping stone. My mom is doing something very funny, I have to tell you. Can you reduce the volume, please? She has started watching this live from the other room, and I can hear myself. Mama, volume come, your door band, please. Sorry about that. This is the first time. So Shrishti, sorry. So yeah, I think any field, हर field में struggles होते हैं. I think what makes it easier is आपको एक ना ग्राफ मेरे दिमाग में चलता है कि मुझे अगर इतनी स्ट्रगल करनी है तो मेरी चाह उस चीज को पाने की इतनी होनी चाहिए. अगर मेरी चाह ही इतनी है तो मैं इतनी स्ट्रगल कभी नहीं करूंगी. So if you really want something bad, then the struggles seem very very less. But it is a lot of hard work, and mental hard work, emotional hard work, physical hard work, and you have to be very strong.
Okay, Rohit is desperate now. He's saying, "Tu meri drink mein tera chakna." That's very funny, Rohit. Thank you. But he says, "Please, मेरा भी ध्यान रखना, because हमसे अगर बात करने का टाइम मिले तो थोड़ा टाइम दे देना." Rohit, आपको मैं हाय बुलवा देती हूँ सोनाली से, because you have just cried like too much. He's telling you all have no time for it.
Oh. Hi Rohit, but अगली बार थोड़ा whining कम रखना.
Sonali, the thing is, you started with modeling as well.
Yes.
I was very keen to know this. This Miss India Worldwide.
International.
Yeah. How was it? And how hard did you have to work for it? Like,
So that was, I honestly never wanted to become an actress first. I wanted to be a Miss India, and I wanted to, yeah, do all of that. So yeah, Miss India happened, and I pretty much my energies were focused towards that. And that time, you know, the whole it was a big deal. And as I said, कि Calcutta से पूरा Bombay आना and मम्मा के साथ and contest में part लेना, it was another story in its own self, beautiful journey. और उससे पहले मैं काफी सारे कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्ट ले चुकी थी कैलकाटा में. सो आई एम फ्रॉम एन आर्मी बैकग्राउंड, सो लॉट ऑफ army club, May Queen balls, and you know, Navy Queen and this and that.
That's where the discipline would come in for you, which is what I wanted to know, because it seems like that. You know, Kolkata has a lot of people who either discipline themselves for like art, music, dance, whatever.
Yeah, and they're educated and creative. Yeah. Correct. I guess, yeah, somewhere in my subconscious, yeah, some good mix of Punjabi and Bengali culture. Yeah. So yeah, and then Miss India happened, and then I was a runner-up, and then I got to represent my country at Miss International, for which I went to Tokyo and China, Beijing, and वहाँ पे 1 month था, and it was the most beautiful feeling to be called. Your name becomes your country. So for 1 month, I was addressed as India, and that is a special, like, India, you want to go here? India, you want to have lunch? India, it's your turn. It's just like such an amazing feeling. And you know, I have to say, at these international pageants, they wait for India to come. I remember land करते हमारी orientation थी, और जैसे ही वो मैं घुसी हॉल में, and I was one of the last ones to arrive, they're like, oh, India has arrived, and everybody just looked behind to see इस बार इंडिया से कौन आया है types, you know. So it's
yeah, so they know that we are winners, like how we look at probably Venezuela and stuff.
Yeah. So Venezuela and India have always been a little bit of that.
Raja, आपका क्या सवाल है? Please पूछ लो, because we have our eyes on all the people who are writing in as well. Sonali, I think my first question is, your start in Bollywood was such a fixer in terms of success, and even in your beauty pageant. So has winning been like, do you feel like you're the lucky child, or the blessed one, or the chosen one?
Yeah, I do feel that I am very lucky, because who gets a hit film in one of their first ones, and which goes on to become a great franchise.
Yeah.
But I won't take away the fact that we all have had to work really hard, and by we I mean all the actors of the film of Pyar Ka Panchnama, you know, because none of us have had that kind of an overnight success. You know, even when the first film did that well, it took all of us a certain amount of time and struggle to be wherever we are today, and it was slowly by slowly. You know, it's like बहुत सारी films, बहुत सारे actors आते हैं, वो एक film आती है and overnight wonder. That didn't happen. So फिर प्यार का पंचनामा 2 भी आई, उसके बाद it got a little better, but still वो हमेशा रही, especially for the girls, I feel. You know, like the girls didn't benefit as much from a Panchnama as the men did. For whatever reasons, but but I feel because I see my friends, right, जो industry से नहीं है, and कितना मुश्किल होता है to get into the right kind of even a group, Archana, you know, like, because these are the people you hang with. Like, imagine, I'm so lucky that I got associated with them who are my family today. You know, like Lafsa is one of the closest people that I have, and you know, and that
they're
time
very sorted, and they're very nice in their demeanor. They don't look very filmy somehow.
Yeah, and we all started together, right? Like Lafsa's first film, and all the actors, of course, our first film. And did we know back then that, you know, we'll have a relationship for almost a decade? And you know, so it's a beautiful feeling. And I'm someone who goes by emotions and building bonds and relations over the years. So I think I'm really lucky.
So we have 2 requests. One is my producer Karan, who's also an RJ, and he's very popular. He says Sonali's house is beautiful. Archana, please ask her to give us a tour. So I don't know if you're going to be able to do that, because I know we're all in our lockdowns and our homes are in whatever situation that we are.
Maybe next time, maybe we'll do a separate show for that, where I give.
Yeah, he said, he's been telling me ever since he heard that we are doing this live. He said, listen, you have to see her home. How far do you live from me? Where do you live, rather?
Where do you stay? Andheri?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I stay in a Jew circle.
So we're not too far away from each other.
No, we're not. In fact, I used to stay in Lokhandwala. I've just moved here. So we're not. Maybe you can come down to the personal tour.
Yeah, I think Karan, मैं lockdown के बाद जा रही हूँ. Bye. See you then.
I'll have a personal tour.
So,
Done.
Sonali, for all that you say, the hard work, when you say hard work, we don't realize it because हम जब pictures देखते हैं तो हम finished product देखते हैं. We have no clue what's gone on behind the scenes. Maybe today is a good day for us to take that learning from you. You've been a part of the beauty pageant, beauty world, and this side. What have your learnings been? Because you've also done a lot of television, so you've been part of pretty much every media except for radio, maybe. But you have to tell us your learnings.
No, I've not done TV. I mean, yeah, I've done
ads, cover of commercials.
ads, और एक reality भी किया था बहुत पहले. But yeah, kind of. I've modeled and yeah.
Yeah, you've done it all. Like I'm just thinking, you
because yeah, when you don't have like a godfather or someone from the industry, and especially this I'm talking 10 years ago, जब इतने avenues नहीं थे, social media नहीं था. Now with social media, everything's very easy, right?
Yeah.
We know like a new person who comes today doesn't have to sit and be like, oh, how to start, because you have a list of your casting directors, of you have their Instagram handles, you can put up your own stuff and for the world to see. उस time पे ये सब नहीं था. So I had to try everything. So you come to Bombay, I had no plans of modeling, but then I had to earn my bread and butter. Majruka. So I started modeling, and then you started doing ads because I started getting ads very easily. One of them has gone. Come.
So cute. The Shih Tzu.
Shih Tzu. Here. So Majnu is very interesting. Do you know Salil?
Of course.
So Salil is his human grandparent. Human grandparent.
Oh, ये
Chanchan का है.
Oh my God! This is Salil's dog's baby. How sweet.
Yeah.
Your mom
is
so nice.
It's so cute. Growly. So Chanchan का baby है ये, और my very close friend Gagan, ये उसका है, and Gagan is stuck in Dehradun, so he's staying with me.
Oh my God, you are actually fostering. How sweet you are, man. You are such a dog. So nice. Yeah, keep telling us about your learnings from different industries.
Yeah, so you figure your way out. You see, like I never wanted to be an actress, but then when I did my first ad, which was with Rohan Sippy, I did an ad for 7up. So Yashraj, when I appeared in front of the camera, I'm like, I might want to act because it's so much different than like modeling or whatever. So you figure it out, and then you find your love. Like now I know मुझे यही करना है and nothing else, and I'll keep on acting. So I think main thing is you figure it along as you go. What works for you? Yeah.
Listen, everyone's talking about Jai Mamidi. I think everyone's sitting at home and watching the film.
It's come at the right time.
Yeah, they love it. You want to tell us, considering आपकी मम्मी background में बहुत प्यार, yeah, she's very fit. Your mom is very fit to be a Punjabi mummy.
Yeah, she's very fit. She's very fit and she looks really young. She is quite young also actually. And हम रोज सुबह अभी तो लॉकडाउन में हमारा वर्कआउट योगा सब कुछ साथ में हो रहा है. अभी वॉक लेके गई है मेरे एक डॉग को, फिर अभी इसको लेके जाएगी. Then she's waiting for me to finish this.
There's another presenter here who's asking for his show with you. Chai with Ahmed says, Sonali, where's my chai?
Ahmed is so funny and so sweet. I just got to know him. Ahmed, see, I'm still having chai, like always. You'll find me with chai.
So, आपकी चाय में क्या होता है? क्योंकि chai time है, we might as well discuss.
We might as well. And for me, my chai time is so important. Like my mom and my chai time is like a little kitty party. Like, we have to have... So either we have chai or we have coffee. We love both. But uske according, the rest of the paraphernalia
is such a rare thing to happen. I have never met someone like you.
Why?
Who likes chai and coffee.
And coffee both? Yeah. Me.
Very rare.
And I'm telling you, and the paraphernalia has to go. So if it's chai ka mood hai aaj, तो उसके साथ समोसे, मट्ठी, मिठाई, all that kind of namkeen stuff will come. और अगर आज कॉफी का मूड है, then cookies and muffins and sandwiches will come. So I'll never.
You don't eat all that.
I do.
But don't eat all that.
I do, Babu. I do, but it's just like I'll show you. Like my mom's made this cake now okay, made it home, but it's sweetened with jaggery. So आजकल हर चीज का substitute होता है. मैं सब खाती हूँ, लेकिन healthy खाती हूँ. तो केक इतना amazing, but with jaggery. बेसन की बर्फी with jaggery. So I don't count my calories, but I don't eat processed sugar. सब खाती हूँ.
Nice. Ahmed, no khalas. She's going to come to you. Wala Habibi, don't you worry. And I'm going to make sure that you have a very good interview, okay? All right, so listen.
Nah, well done, you.
Yeah, considering I was born and brought up in Kuwait, that's the least.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I came during the Gulf War, so I keep telling everyone, Akshay Kumar ki film meri kahani hai, which is Airlift. But obviously we didn't go through that camp. And
you know, another very close friend of mine also, I think you know him, Veer Aryan. No, do you know him?
Of course.
He's also saying similar Airlift story. In fact, I think his father was, yeah, he's also from Kuwait.
It was a crazy time. But okay, so I'm very excited because I feel every time you've come in a movie, there's been legends around you. Like legends. Like it's so, and that's a blessing in itself, because when you watch legends at work, you're obviously getting to learn so much more, especially in acting, क्योंकि जैसे उसके लिए कोई formal education शायद आपने नहीं ली. You were lucky enough to actually have gotten the first.
Yeah.
The first ad also was Rohan Sippy and Yash Raj, like really.
Yeah.
So did you learn on the job, or did you actually train once you realized you want to do this?
No, of course I trained, and see, that's what I think most people like don't see, because it's so long back, and I've done so many courses, like, you know, उस time पे छोटे-छोटे बहुत सारे होते थे. There was this creating characters का एक course था. मैंने theater किया. मैंने recently तक भी till last year, you've heard of Adi Shakti in Pondicherry? Yeah.
Everyone talks about it. It actually opens the non-actors, I believe. It opens you up as a human being.
Yeah. But it is a theater. It's a theater, you know, workshop. Someone says, hello, Nyanis. What is Nyanis?
Nyani is, in Sindhi, is...
Ladkiyan.
You know who calls us Nyani, right?
He only said.
Ashish, you're hilarious. So the thing is, in Sindhi, you say... girls are pure, they are like divine, they are like goddesses, so they call them प्यार से in that very divine format न्याणी. But
और बदमाश लड़की को क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ नहीं, बदमाश लड़की के लिए कोई टर्म नहीं है, उसका नाम सोनाली और अर्चना. But न्याणीज they get dakhna in Sindhi, that means they get money. So where is the moola?
Oh yeah, ये की ना Sindhi वाली बात. Where is the money? Rakhna.
Yeah. So now you say, मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना, ओ मखना. How was it to work? I'll just take all the lovely legends.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Who are you?
No, I think Salman. Actually, I'll start with Salman, क्योंकि सबको यहाँ पता होना चाहिए कि मैंने भी आपके ना, जब मैं आपको follow करती थी, and actually Sonali, Salman looks very in awe of you, and that's very rare, because he is someone who is very very perceptive, and also somebody who obviously will give you attention only if he thinks you're worth it. You have to tell us about you and Salman.
Where have you made this observation? I'm very interested to know.
I am very sharp, okay?
Yeah.
That's why, RJ. Yeah, that's why. Go for it.
Yeah, because I have only not met him in such a long time, but with him, so I know his sister Elvira she used to teach us yoga during Miss India. See how the world and universe comes together, and I landed my thumbs up ad with Salman. And this was before PKP 2, but after PKP 1. So I had started acting, and तब तक मैं अपनी दूसरी film की shoot कर रही थी, which never released. So let's not talk about that. So I remember I auditioned for that ad, and I was really excited, and I was like, I have to do it. And I landed at both the ads, the one in like the national one with Salman, and the South one with Mahesh Babu. So I did both those ads, and I was really, really excited. And obviously on set, I was a little like, but then I met Elvira. Yeah, like nervous. Yeah, I used to be quite nervous also that time. And then I met Elvira, and ye ho gaye is baat ko 5-6 saal ho gaye. I met Elvira, so obviously got more comfortable, and she like introduced me properly to Salman. Not that he needs an introduction. And I remember we bonded over food, because he also moves around with so much food and everything. And then that was it. It was a great working experience, and it was so fast, and the fastest shoot of my life, and fatafat ho gaya sab kuch. After that, we never like exchanged anything or any numbers. And then later I met him somewhere else, and Elvira was also there, and that's when I got to know him. And the sweetest thing was, he tweeted for Sunny and me because तब हमारी पंचनामा 2 release हो रही थी, and he's worked with Sunny's dad as well. With Jay uncle, yeah, because he's into action. So he tweeted for us, and I still remember Sunny and I, we didn't even have an idea. We were promoting Panchnama 2, and then suddenly हम दोनों का Twitter went berserk. रात के 12-1 बजे टिंग 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 टिंग, मतलब it's my phone's gonna burst or something. And वो भी मेरे रूम में आता है, मैं और something, and then we go to Lafsa's room, and then we all are like, okay, so this he's tweeted, and I had no idea. So I think that was really sweet, and yeah, so it's been amazing. It's just unfortunate that I never got to work more with him, maybe in the future. But yeah, it's been an amazing experience knowing him.
I think the show.
Yeah. Oh yes, I forgot about that. Yeah.
We did a show you all did.
Dabangg. Yeah, in fact, I opened that show. Yeah, that was also an amazing. Yeah, and that was my second performance, I think. I mean, I had done 2-3 performances. So, my first song that time, Paro, became hit. Like, uske pehle bhi gaane the, but Paro really, took off. So, I started doing a lot of shows, and that was one of the shows that I did. The first Dabangg tour, I think. It was in Surat, I remember.
What's the hardest part of being an actor?
Girl.
What is the hardest part of being an actor? Is it memorizing the lines? Is it the wait between shots? Is it what can be tiring for you as an actor?
For me, the emotional bandwidth. To have the correct one and to keep it, in the sense of I'm not saying the emotional performances of the scene. वो तो एक अलग art है, that is different, that is a skill. But whatever's going on in your personal life and how you have to detach it and come to the set no matter what. And I'm talking about coming to the set even before the camera rolls. So even if you've had a terrible day and you're PMSing and you're like really want to cry or whatever, but you still have to reach and be nice to your people, makeup people, whatever, be sane, look normal, don't go too crazy, hopefully. So, that always in the eye.
You must have learned that when you did Miss World, because Miss India, because somewhere you have to also have.
But you do it for a month, right? Yeah. But I'm saying now this is the life, right? It's every day. I remember the other day, where was I? Somewhere, and I was just having a really bad moment. I don't even remember what the moment was, but I was crying in a public place, and there were eyes in a flight. Yes, because I remember Itna. And I'm like, I can't even cry. I want to cry, So I wore my sunglasses, I did something. And I mean, but you get those looks or whatever. So this is probably not just like being an actor, but just people being a little curious in your life if they know you or whatever. But it's a very small price to pay.
What's your experience in Dadagiri?
Oh God, who is this?
Some Nayan guy. His name is Nayanam Prashant.
Dadagiri was it's one of the first things I did, and if I have to say if I'm like least proud of and most proud of at the same time is Dadagiri. Because least proud of the way I was in the show and I treated everybody, and at start of my career I was a baby, and most proud of because people believed it. I remember one auntie once coming and telling me and being like, like she saw me and she gave me, she's like, तुम दादागिरी में आती हो, ऐसे क्यों बात करती हो लड़कियों से, शर्म नहीं आती and all that. And I was like, okay, she has no idea. And people who know me know I'm like a softie at heart. Like I'm just not, I'm not that person. So for me, it's professionally, it's a great achievement that I made people believe it. And another funny, if anybody knows, there was a contestant at that point who I felt terrible about. Calling out at that point, and I was really mean to her, Firoza. And so many years later, she's now engaged to a friend of mine, and I met her, and I was like, "Listen, sorry, for that time."
Sub connection है, बहुत
sub connection है. That is universe.
सब लोग आपके bulldog के पीछे क्यों पड़े हैं? Dhyanesh Dongare says, "Do you want to know about her bulldog?"
I have many. अभी मजनू है, Bounty नीचे गई है, Shamsher is there. Shamsher is also not here with me, and Lab. Yeah, bulldog is Shamsher.
Mom takes care of.
मजनू तो अभी आया है.
नहीं, but mom takes care of your dogs.
I am also there, ना?
Like ये.
नहीं, but I'm also there. I also go down. That's what I'm saying. Right now is a walk time. So अभी शाम को हम जाते हैं और नीचे walk करते हैं. Also, I feed the strays in my area. So this evening time is that where we go down and then yeah, and I would actually tell everyone, request them ki you know, whether it's morning or evening, whichever, just under your building, if you can take care of some strays because उनकी हालत थोड़ी अभी काफी खराब हो रही है.
क्या खिलाते हो सोनाली?
So it depends. घर में हमारी खिचड़ी बनती है बेबीज के लिए with like chicken veggie. So either that or pedigree का पैकेट है या वो या कभी दूध और bread. So depending on whatever their mood is, rather more than what I can take.
When did yoga happen to you, and was it yoga from the very beginning, or you used to be a gym girl and then, or you didn't get, or you were just genetically blessed like you said?
A bit of both, but yoga has been put into my system at a very young age because my mom used to take me. I mean, she also started in Calcutta and then she used to take me also, and then she enrolled me also in yoga classes. So quite early on I started. फिर जब मैं बॉम्बे आई थोड़ी रुक गई योगा and then it started again.
Wow, so it's something she also must be doing now, right?
Yeah. She also does, and वैसे भी वो करती है. She goes to a class, but now with the lockdown, we do it together in the morning.
And ये t-shirt challenge किसने आपको challenge किया?
किसी ने नहीं. मैंने खुद ले लिया. And that's why I was like, I have to do it. I saw some people do it, and I saw first my yoga teacher do it, and she's so done it fabulously. And I was like, ये करना है, ये बहुत cool है. So I did it. I loved it.
Who is this yoga teacher of yours? Very cool, is doing t-shirt challenge. Very nice. I like. Who is?
Yeah. हाँ, but it is now Rinku Suri. So she did a t-shirt challenge, then she did a dhoti challenge or something. उसने भी धोती भी पहनी. I'm like, wow, yaar, but I'll get there soon.
So 2 days ago was Poonam Dillon's birthday. You worked with her also. Datta Patil Shah also. All these legends. So now I would ask you, एक legend का नाम लो जिनके साथ आपने काम करा है और उनसे क्या-क्या सीखा है सोनाली ने?
Okay, Poonam ma'am, large heart. She is very like, she's not petty. She's a magnanimous person. So उनसे ये सीखा है कि आप कितने भी बड़े एक्टर हो, लेकिन आपके आसपास अगर कुछ like if there's something wrong with me, if my hair is covering or whatever, she'll cut the short and like, हाँ. So I mean, she doesn't need to do that. So that. Supriya ma'am से सीखा है, she is very focused and great knowledge of like what stuff, shows that go around, and, you know. Yeah. और कौन से legends? Legends
बाबूजी
है,
बॉलीवुड के बाबूजी.
अच्छा, वो उनके साथ मेरा सीन नहीं था ना, लेकिन कोई.
Actually,
I've not shot with him. Yeah, I've not shot with him.
Sonali, what are the projects coming up? I think Bundi Raita or something, na? ऐसे कुछ आ रहा है ना आपका भी?
Yeah, in fact I was supposed to start it now in April first week. So that's not, I mean, obviously on a break. So once this gets over, we'll know. Abhi to we were supposed to workshop for it and read for it and a lot of things. So once this gets over, then hopefully we'll start soon. Yeah.
I think I have 3 questions for you in life. One is the consistency, like, you know, focus, because there's been a gap and you're 9 years in the industry and you have probably 4 or 5 releases. You somewhere want more work. I'm talking about being on the big screen. Now it's, you know, also because you've done well for yourself. It's not like you did average movies. You did good films. How's the patience? What do you do in the meantime? How do you keep yourself positively inclined towards your industry?
Patience in huge amounts and quantities, because honestly, when your first film does well, and then you get certain kind of offers which maybe are tempting, but they don't exactly go with your scheme of things, so you need a lot of patience and willpower to say कि ये नहीं करना है, no matter how big the film is or how good the money is. Right now I don't want to do it, and wait for stuff that you want to do. So patience is very, very important. But मेरे लिए it's always paid off, but yes, a bit too slowly, but it's paid off. My 6th film was Jai Mammi Di. And I plan to go like this only, to be very honest. It's just that I will never do something that I'm not 100% convinced about, या जो मुझे नहीं करना है. Yes, I understand कि मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं बहुत फंसी हूँ या कुछ, बट मेरे कुछ क्राइटेरिया हैं जो डेफिनेटली उसमें से 6 में से 5 तो टिक होने चाहिए. So of course, and that is exactly why I have gone ahead and I'm proud of it. I've done a film like Setters or a Hijack, जिसके बारे में शायद ज्यादातर लोगों को पता भी नहीं है, but I'm proud of it because मुझे एक्सपेरिमेंट करना था और मुझे देखना था कि मैं नॉन ग्लैमरस पार्ट में कैसी लगूंगी, या मैं I want to work with this director. For example, Setters is by Ashwini Chaudhary and he's won a national award and I wanted to work with him and see. So I will keep doing that, and for me it's only gotten better. And I know that after JMME maybe not a lot of people have seen it, but whoever's seen it, मुझे बहुत अच्छा personal response मिल रहा है. So that obviously takes a good rollover on your work. So the kind of offers that I'm getting now is very exciting. So hopefully अब उसमें से I take my step ahead and choose something nice. And plus digital is so much fun. Like I really want to explore digital.
That's what a lot of people are asking. Why aren't you doing more stuff on the digital front?
I want to. I really want to, and I'm like honestly waiting for it. But the stuff that I want to do, I've not come across it, and the stuff that's coming to me, I don't want to do. So I think I just have to somewhere wait.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, being
You
careful.
shouldn't jump
like
at,
not too careful.
Sometimes people do anything and everything. There was an era that worked, but now it's like all of us need to protect our energies, and that's where this question makes sense. In the lockdown, somewhere we've all been able to connect with ourselves and look at our lives with perspective and step back a bit.
Yeah.
What has it taught you, and what is the bigger message for everyone who's watching?
I truly believe that once this is over, none of us will be the same. I feel there, or at least should not be. I feel if this doesn't change us and make us more grateful for what we have, then I don't know what will. Because, from simple things like being, the freedom, you realize that how much for granted we take it. Just the freedom of being, of meeting someone you want to, like even if ki abhi it's safe to go meet that person because that person's not positive, but you still can't because there is a responsibility. So to value that, and even हम सब बहुत time spend कर रहे हैं अभी जिसके साथ भी we are there, whether it's our parents or flatmates or lovers or husbands, wives, whatever. I heard something funny that divorce rates are going up and couples are breaking up. But jokes apart, I think it's a great time to kind of, just enjoy and respect, and you don't have to take out time and just so much time. And most important than all of this, the time that you're getting to spend with yourself. Because ये time ना कि आप खुद बैठ के where you think about life, you introspect, you really see what ticks you, what makes you, what breaks you. ये हमें नहीं मिलता है चाहे आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो. When you're working, even जब आपके पास free time होता है, आप vacation के लिए जाते हो, your energies, as you said, are distracted by something else. Right now, there's nothing else to do. So all that introspection should just make us better people. Like make us care about nature more. Like you can see, right, how much it is beautiful. Like this, I can for the first time see a blue sky. Like I've always seen a gray sky.
In Navi Mumbai, and just very close to where they live is this patch of the Khadi where you have flamingos, which usually come in like hundreds, maybe a couple of thousands, but now it's like ridiculous. The number, everyone's saying they haven't seen so many flamingos in their lives.
Wow.
That's how much nature is recovering. Yeah,
exactly. And do you realize it's their space and we have encroached. Yeah, exactly.
I know. Thank you for that. And Ajesh Parlikar, I have seen your messages come in 100 times saying favorite Ajay. Thank you. I have to take this moment to thank you because you said it too many times. Sonali, wonderful chatting with you. And before I leave you, because I know I'm going to definitely meet you with our dear common friend Ashish, but I still have to ask, सिंधी खाने में क्या पसंद है? क्योंकि कल ही मैंने सिंधी कढ़ी बनाई है. So you have to tell us what you.
I love सिंधी कढ़ी. Actually, I love बहुत सारी चीजें. I love सिंधी कढ़ी और उसके साथ जो टुक आता है, टुक ना, आलू टुक, yummy. Yes. And अरे वो breakfast वाली item that
Koki.
No, not Koki. Koki also I like.
Lolo.
No.
Sale bread.
Are that fried thing with chole type thing? Dal.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Dal pakwan.
Dal pakwan. Yes, I love dal
wow.
pakwan.
Good
So
choice,
oily
girl.
and sinful, dude.
You
Love
तो
it.
like all the happening food in the world, but दिखता तो कहीं नहीं है. तो जाने से पहले your top 3 most memorable happy moments which I'd like you to recount for us so that you also feel happy before we say bye to you.
Oh, I love this. I think this is such a fab interview. I like it. My most 3 happy moments is number 1 would be when I got Bounty and just my dog, my baby, who's my daughter.
So sweet.
So I have different relationships with every dog in my life. Bounty is my baby. When I got her. Second would be when I got my first film, Panchnama, and third would be not a moment, but these lot of moments that I get to spend with my mother, because we have a very, very special bonding. So like a simple chai time is would be my happy moments.
You had to get this movie Jai Mummy Di because you actually japo that in your real life.
Yeah, I could tell her. I said, this is my tribute to you, Mama. Now, shh, that's it.
Yeah, Auntie ji, Peripona, आपको बहुत सारा प्यार. It's very fortunate that a girl gets the chance to not just love and cherish, but spend so much time with their mother. I'm missing my mom.
Where is she
She's in
still?
Navi Mumbai.
Oh.
She's in Navi Mumbai.
Oh.
So I'm really missing her, yaar. And unke building mein to I don't think they'll allow me in also because it becomes so strict. You know, it's one of those big townships.
But it's good. And you know, with parents, like, it's just better that they stay away. Yeah.
I'm going to video call her after this because I have finally met a daughter who's equally passionate about her mother.
Yeah, and
so
I have chai with her.
Arey, yum. Thank you so much for joining us. मजा आ गया क्योंकि
Thank
और चाय बहुत रेयर है. कॉफी और चाय वाली है. मैं आज कॉफी पीऊंगी और आपके लिए पोस्ट करूंगी मेरा फोटो कॉफी के साथ.
Thank you. Thank you, Archana.
See you soon, darling. Bye.
Bye.
And love your mom. Bye.
Bye.